Who is considered the first Urdu novelist? Which city is known for the development of Urdu Marsiya? Who wrote the famous Masanvi Sharul Bayan? What is the name of the founder of Daily Jung newspaper? Which poet is known for the poem Jungle Ki Shehzadi? Who is the author of the novel Aag Ka Darya? Which poet is known as the poet of East? What is the capital city of Pakistan? Who was the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? Which river is known as the lifeline of Pakistan? Who composed the national anthem of Pakistan? Which mountain is the highest peak in Pakistan? Who is known as the father of nation in Pakistan? Which desert is located in Pakistan? What is the national language of Pakistan? Which city is called the City of Lights in Pakistan? Who wrote the famous Urdu novel Umro Jaan Ada? Which poet is known as a god of poetry in Urdu literature? Which is the largest province of Pakistan by area? Which is the national flower of Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu short story Andahini? Which pass connect Pakistan with Afghanistan? Which is the largest dam in Pakistan? Who is the founder of Pakistan Muslim League? Which is the national animal of Pakistan? Who wrote the famous Urdu poem Shikwa? Which is the largest port of Pakistan? Who is the author of the book Safarnama? Which city is known as the Garden of Pakistan? Who was the first female Prime Minister of Pakistan? Which is the national sport of Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Raja Gidd? Which lake is known as the paradise on earth in Pakistan? Who wrote the famous Urdu short story Toba Tek Singh? Which is the longest river in Pakistan? Who is known as the Nightingale of Pakistan? Which city is famous for its Sufi shrines in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Pir-e-Kamil? Which is the largest library in Pakistan? Who is the poet of the famous Urdu poem Jawab-e-Shikwa? Which is the largest mosque in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Kudan? Which is the national bird of Pakistan? Who is known as the voice of Pakistan? Which is the oldest university in Pakistan? Who wrote the famous Urdu short story Kafan? which is the largest museum in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Jannat Ke Patte? Which is the largest railway station in Pakistan? Who is the poet of the famous Urdu poem Bange Dara? Which is the largest airport in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Musaf? Which is the largest stadium in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Khuda aur Mohabbat? Which is the largest park in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Humsafar? Which is the largest bridge in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Abbe Hayat? Which is the largest forest in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Dil Se Dil Tak? Which is the largest canal in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Amar Bel? Which is the largest lake in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel ये जो एक सुबह का सितारा है? Which is the largest glacier in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Maate Jahan Hai Tum? Which is the largest zoo in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel La Hasil? Which is the largest fort in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Karakram Ka Taj Mahal? Which is the largest market in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Bin Roye Aansu? Which is the largest monument in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Sherazad? Which is the largest waterfall in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Namal? Which is the largest power plant in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Dhoop Kinare? Which is the largest cave in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Zindagi Gulzar Hai? Which is the largest island in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Abdullah? Which is the largest valley in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Mera Khwab Mere Jugnu? Which is the largest salt mine in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Imam, Umaid or Mohabbat? Which is the largest hospital in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Sauda? Which is the largest refinery in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel वो जो कर्ज रखते हैं? Which is the largest textile mill in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Hasil? Which is the largest oil field in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Jannat Ke Patte? Which is the largest university in Pakistan by area? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Parizad? Which is the largest agriculture crop in Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Mere Paas Tum Ho? Who is the largest export of Pakistan? Who is the author of the Urdu novel Alif?